Hello, everybody. You hear that? I'm taking a hot bath. Sometimes you just gotta sit back and relax after having a long week and just relax and enjoy yourself. Self-care. Remember, we got to take care of ourselves as well. Okay? All right? So, tell me what you're going to do for self-care this weekend.